to do a little science experiment with you and kind of talk about some things that you could find at home, like baking soda and vinegar. So this is a box of baking soda, and this is a bottle of vinegar. And you guys might have this in your kitchen. We use it for cooking and we use it for cleaning, but they also do something really cool when you put them together. So what happens between baking soda and vinegar is a chemical reaction. Can you guys say chemical reaction? Very good. So in this bottle, I have some blue vinegar, and I'm going to show you what happens when I put baking soda inside. So when we mix baking soda with vinegar, it makes a type of air, and it's called gas. And do you guys know how we blow up a balloon? We usually put it on our mouth and we blow and we fill it with air. Well, baking soda and vinegar is going to do that by itself. So shall we see how it does it? Let's see if it works. I'm putting the balloon on top of the vinegar. I'm gonna dump it in there. And look, it's blowing up all by itself. So inside is gas, and gas is making the balloon get bigger and bigger. And you can see all these little bubbles. The baking soda and vinegar made those bubbles. That's called a chemical reaction. All right, so now that we know how that works, we're gonna do a little color mixing with our activity. So I have red baking soda, yellow baking soda, and some blue baking soda. And then I also have blue vinegar, red vinegar, and yellow vinegar. So for this activity, we're going to use our senses. We're going to use our eyes to see what happens to the baking soda and vinegar when we mix them. And we're going to use our ears to hear the chemical reaction. What color do you think we will make if we mix the red baking soda and the blue vinegar? Do you think it'll turn green or gray or yellow? Should we find out? Let's do it. Are you guys ready? All right, turn your listening ears on. Now I'm gonna pour the blue vinegar inside the red baking soda. What color did it make? Oh, it looks like it's changing colors. Let's see. It kind of looked a little bit purple, and then it turned blue, and now it looks a little black. All right, let's see what colors the yellow baking soda and the red vinegar will make. Ready? What color is that? That looks like orange. So yellow baking soda and red vinegar made orange. Can you guys hear that? Are the bubbles making noises? Sounds like a little fizzy, like a little, like bubbles keep popping. So we just made orange out of yellow and red. Now for the blue, what do you think? What color do you think will be made from blue baking soda and yellow vinegar? Let's find out, and let's use our listening ears to hear those bubbles pop. What color is that, friends? That's right, that's green. So blue baking soda and yellow vinegar made green. And look, you can hear all those little bubbles popping. So these are all ingredients that you guys can find at home. Remember, we just need baking soda, vinegar, and a little bit of food coloring. And you guys can do this activity with your moms and dads at home. All right, friends, thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned a little bit about chemical reactions and color mixing. I'll see you guys later. Bye.